Okay, so dishwasher doesn't appear to be working again. He was here Tuesday. Okay, so that's the same symptom that we've had. It doesn't start, and then that light starts to flash. So he said check the door switch. The door switch, I don't know why it wouldn't be engaged. Seems to look just fine. I don't see anything in the way of it. I don't see what could be causing it to not contact. This looks fine. We close the dishwasher. I'll adjust it on both sides to make sure it's closed. And go to start it again. Same symptom. No start, flashing error light. Visually looking at the dishwasher, it looks like it's tipped back a little bit, but no adjustments have been made at all since he was here and he leveled it, and it was working when he left. We got one load out of it. We got it to run for one load. I don't know if there's anything in here that would trip off a sensor. We have soap in it. The soap dispenser's closed. I don't know. The soap dispenser's never closed when he runs it because he's always here when it's not loaded. Let's see if that makes a difference. Same symptom. Go ahead and close that drawer so we don't pour out a whole bunch more soap. I'm not sure what else there is to check on it. It's not working. It's fastened in just like it was. The bottom is stable. Nothing's moved around. Only thing we've done is load it. I don't see anything in the way of the water jets. They can spin just fine. So there's no error code there. I can't imagine what would be causing this to stop. It's loaded just fine. There's nothing wrong with the way that's loaded, I don't think. The interior appears to be fine. Nothing obstructing this. No abnormal loading. Should be working just fine. And again, see if it starts. No. Same symptoms, same problem. I'm not sure what the solution is at this point. I've had him out to diagnose it 3 separate times, and he hasn't found the solution, so I don't know. At this point, the service calls are costing more than a new dishwasher, I'd imagine. So I don't know. That's where we're at, sorry.